I'm Connie, and today I have another unboxing. This is my first one of 2025, and this is from Open Gate Quilts. So let's open it and see what's in it. Okay. First off, we have our sheet that tells us what's in the box. I can already see there's some pretty things in here. Open Gate Quilt Box, January 2025. Project 1 is called Lilac Lace. And that would be this one. Ooh, pretty fabrics. And it's a 26 by 26 wall hanging. It has the fabric for the top and binding. Featuring Morning Lilac by Camelot Fabrics. Here is what the quilt looks like. There is one of the fabrics. Looks like it's a fat quarter. That's a fat quarter. Oh, that's a skinny one. So that looks like it is 7 inches by the width of the fabric. And we have this. It's another one that is 7 inches. And can you see it? It's white with just a tiny, tiny little design on it. There's a tiny piece. I think that's going to be for the center. We have this fabric. Another one that is 7 inches. Pretty bold print. And then this one, oh, this is 11 inches. That's a pretty color. So that is for this lilac lace quilt pattern. And she also shows it as a table runner. Oh, no, it's just part of the design. But you know what? I got a feeling I might make it as a table runner. Just do this part here. Okay. Project 2 is this one. Project 2, Open Gate, Motor Challenge or Square Block for a table topper, mouse pad, non-heat resistant pad or small wall hanging. It includes a fabric for the block and backing and fusible fleece. There are the fabrics, just tiny pieces. Obviously, just enough to make the quilt. Oh, look at that one. Look at that. This must be like a digitally printed fabric. Look at that. Kind of neat. Also, you always receive one random fat quarter. And this is the fabric that I received. The cute print. And a small spool of Aurifil thread. And this is a 50 weight, which I love using. For our notion, we received magic pins. I've got some other magic pins. I'm not sure if I have these. This is the fork pin and then the flathead pins. Flathead pins I haven't had. So that just gives you a sample. You get 4 of the 4 of the fork pins and 6 of the flathead. So that is what is in the Open Gate quilt box for January. And this cost $52. Over here is Goldenrod wall hanging, and this was in the December box from Open Gate Quilts. And it was fun to make. So hope you enjoyed seeing everything that was in here. I'm going to take this strip and go ahead and separate the colors. It's easier to show them to you. Okay, so now you can see the fabrics. Decide what kind of block I'm going to make.